Can transaction data reveal urban neighborhood economic health? Imagine walking through a neighborhood and seeing busy shops, new restaurants opening, and people spending money. Could the data behind those transactions tell us how well the area is doing economically? Well, it can. Transaction data includes records of purchases, payments, and financial exchanges. This kind of data shows real-time consumer behavior and business activity in a neighborhood. When many people are spending money in a certain area, it suggests the economy is strong. If transaction volumes drop, it might mean residents are spending less or businesses are struggling. This data can reveal a lot about how neighborhoods are doing financially. For example, high transaction volumes across different spending categories often point to a lively local economy. People are buying groceries, dining out, and shopping, which keeps businesses thriving. On the other hand, if transactions decline, it could be a sign of economic trouble or reduced purchasing power among residents. Transaction data also helps us understand how local businesses are doing. If there are many transactions at small shops and startups, it shows active entrepreneurship and job creation. When local businesses grow, they support the neighborhood's economic health. Conversely, a decrease in business transactions might signal closures or economic decline. Another useful aspect is how transaction amounts can hint at income levels. Larger purchases or frequent high-value transactions might indicate wealthier residents, while smaller, less frequent transactions could suggest lower income levels. Combining this with demographic data like age, education, and household size gives a clearer picture of economic disparities within neighborhoods. Tracking transaction data over time helps see how neighborhoods bounce back from economic shocks. For instance, after a recession or a pandemic, if transaction volumes increase again, it shows resilience and recovery. If they stay low, it might mean the neighborhood needs targeted support. Urban planners use this data, along with demographic information, to make smarter decisions. They can identify areas needing economic development efforts or evaluate how public investments like new parks or transit improve local business activity. This data helps shape policies that support neighborhood growth. However, using transaction data has limits. Privacy concerns mean data is often anonymized, and access can be restricted. It's also important to interpret transaction data alongside other economic indicators like employment rates or income statistics for a full picture. In short, transaction data can reveal a lot about how healthy a neighborhood's economy is. It reflects what people are buying, how active local businesses are, and how resilient the community might be in tough times. When combined with demographic data, it becomes a powerful tool for urban planning and economic development. This approach helps communities grow stronger and more vibrant by understanding the real-time economic pulse of neighborhoods.